Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with block 24. So, let's start with block 25, which is dealing with waste. So, waste is nothing but the things which we are not using, isn't it? We are not using any longer, or which should be thrown away, is nothing but your waste, isn't it? So, finding a place to throw this waste is a problem now, okay? Because we don't have space, empty space through to throw the waste, isn't it, children? And this problem is very huge in cities when compared to villages, okay? So in villages, most of the waste is thrown in an empty land, empty field, so that the waste which can rot, which breaks down into simpler substances, and they get mixed up in the soil. But it is in cities, it is very difficult to find an empty area, okay? Not only the houses have the waste, but also factories also have the waste, isn't it? They also generate a lot of waste, and many kinds. It might be a solid waste, it might be a liquid waste, or it might be a gaseous waste, that is the smoke. Okay, children. Yes, and nowadays we are mostly finding difficult because it is all the things are wrapped with the plastic plastic covers. So that's where we are finding very difficult to deal with this waste. Okay, how can we deal with this waste? We will learn in this topic, in this block. Okay, so in this, the first way, that is the first topic, is recycling the waste items. So recycling means the empty objects, like the unused objects, the empty jars, jam bottles, shampoo bottles, newspapers, all these will be can be recycled. So that's why the scrap dealers, can you see in your content book page number 155, children? Please open your science content book and turn to page number 154 and 55. These scrap dealers, what they do is they collect all the things which are waste, like which are made of plastic, iron, yes, newspapers, all these they'll collect and they'll sell it to the factories, recycling factories, and there they melt it or smash it into smaller objects and make a new thing again, so that the same material is used in other way. Okay, sometimes people also make some crafts, arts and crafts with these old things, with these jar bottles, newspapers, yes, all these they use and they'll make art. So that is called recycling. Okay, using the same object again, same material again, it might be in different form. Okay, so that is recycling, children. So for this topic I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your class book, and also underline in your content book page number 154 and 155. Okay, now coming to the question answers. Do people who live in cities generate more waste than the people living in villages? Yes, because people in cities prefer to use packaged goods, isn't it, children? And also, people living in cities are more when compared to people living in villages. Number of people are more. So, if number of people are more, obviously the waste will be more. It isn't it? It increases. Yes. So, and the people who are in the villages, the waste which is from the vegetables and fruits, the peels and all, they have open spaces, so these waste materials like peels of vegetables or fruits can rot in the open spaces, as they have some open fields. Yes, so that get mixed up. Only the things which do not root in the soil, that only will be waste, will be the waste in the villages. But in cities we don't have open space, so the things which rot and the things which do not rot also becomes waste. So waste in cities is more when compared to the waste in the villages. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question. In cities it is easy to find places to throw waste. In cities, children, in cities it is very difficult, isn't it? So It is not correct. Do you agree? Give answers. No, we don't agree. Why? Because cities have people living close to each other. There is no open space, open fields to throw the waste, isn't it? So write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 45, S1. Recycle and non-recycle waste. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.